Hey there, just thought I'd Duff here. I wanted to start off my video by doing something that I normally do at the end of the video. And that is asking people to like and subscribe to my channel, whichever channel you're watching this on. If you watch my videos, you'll know that usually at the end, well, you might not know, that's the whole point of this. Usually at the end of my videos I will say, hey, please like and subscribe. But the problem is we live in a very attention deficit disorder world, and if you look at YouTube stats, to have someone actually watch a video all the way to the very end is very rare. So I've probably been saying that at the end of all my videos, and probably hardly nobody actually sees it, or very few people see it. So I'm going to try to mention that at the beginning of the video instead of the end. So anyways, yeah, Duff here. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Let's see, where would the like button be? Probably down here, I guess. But hit the like button and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Channel really has had some solid growth in the last year, and I'm hoping to continue that. So you may wonder what I'm doing out of view right here. Or maybe you can tell by the parts that I'm pulling off, like this. But my replacement pedals came. I ordered them from Ian over in the UK. And of course I was excited about the pedals and the hardware. It wasn't cheap. This stuff is, I'm not even going to say what it costs. It was expensive for a set of pedals. And that's not Ian's fault. It's Gotway, I guess. They priced this stuff kind of stupid expensive. But anyways, I was excited that this stuff is here. These are two different items. I was lucky because I ordered the pedals, and at first I assumed that it came with the hardware, and then I saw that the hardware was a second item. So I'm glad I went back and I ordered the actual pins, or the rods and the collars and all that kind of stuff. Because if I didn't have them, I wouldn't be able to install the pedal. So that's very cool. Wow, these are nice. And actually, I was almost as excited that in the box, Ian gave me a couple Speedy Feet stickers. So I'm going to put one of these on my M-Super, I believe. Because I really appreciate the job that Ian does for the community. And I'd like to try to patronize him as much as I can. So anyways, I got one side off of my MCM4. Just put it like here while I'm working. So basically what I wanted to talk about, and I just made a little caption about this during one of our rides in Miami, was during my 10-mile test ride video of the MCM4, I commented how I didn't really like the feeling that the motor was constantly surging. Yeah, it didn't seem to want to hold a speed. It wanted to kind of just like do this. And I had mentioned that I had not done a pedal calibration on the MCM4 since I got it. So I thought I would try that and see if it made a difference. And since then I did do the calibration. I used the same technique as I did before with the M-Super. Was it the M-Super I did it with? Yeah, with the M-Super, where I sat the bracket on 2 bricks to make sure that I was as level as possible. Oops. And did the calibration, and since I've done that, the ride definitely has felt better. The pulsing is not 100% gone, but it's better. So that's a good thing. So I just want to mention that. All right. So that's right. Okay. So, okay. So I'm now installing the pedals. So someone has told me, whoops, so that will be backwards. Okay. Someone has told me that even though there isn't necessarily a true front on the MCM4, that normal front would be the switches on the right hand side. So I am installing the pedals in that direction because the M Super pedals are directional, you know. So I'm going to have the longer, narrow part up front. Okay. Got my new rod in here. It's weird. The rod feels a little sticky for some reason. Got the rod through. I have the spacers in place. You do get new grub screws with this hardware kit as well. So at the end of this, I'll wind up with a couple extra grub screws, I guess, and a spare set of MCM4 pedals. So Ian put a post up on the Speedy Feet owners group on Facebook. I guess he has like a FAQ site kind of going up that has like various information. And I guess that they've confirmed now that the these pedals, you know, which are basically the largest pedals you can get, they're even bigger than what comes standard on the Monster. They fit on the on the Gotway M Super V3, the MCM4, which I've confirmed, the ACM, and also on the Monster. So pretty much all of the wheels that Gotway makes, outside of the Luffy, I guess, these pedals should fit on. And like you saw in my test that I did when I swapped the pedals from my M Super, you know, since this wheel is lower to the ground, smaller diameter wheel, and this pedal is longer and wider, you're gonna more than likely scrape it more. But at least with the way that I ride a wheel, it's not a problem. If you were like you know, a big trickster or something, it might annoy you, but it causes absolutely no issue for someone like me. You know, I'm just doing normal everyday riding most of the time. Alright, so that pedal's on. I just have to do a little bit more tightening. Looks good though. So let me get this done. You know, it's funny, it's almost like myself and Marty Back are having a contest to see who can go crazier with buying electric unicycles. Marty has a Gotway ACM already, and a M Super V3 like mine, and a Kingsong 14C, I believe, and a generic training wheel, kind of like what I have. But he also told me that he ordered a Monster, a 22-inch Gotway Monster. So he definitely has pulled ahead of me again in the electric unicycle collection wars. So, and unfortunately, I'm not really in a position to buy a Monster right now. Who knows? Maybe somewhere down the road. I certainly don't need the need for one. I don't have the need for one, but I think it's pretty cool. Marty will soon have one as well, so I look forward to seeing videos of him cruising around California on it. Okay, you might remember when I did my first test fit with the M Super pedals, the one side was kind of like sticking when you put it down, but these, I'm not having that problem here. These fit clean, no binding. Looks cool, huh? Nice big pedals on a smaller wheel. Maybe the manufacturers will start to learn something. I don't know. We'll see. So, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to cover this one more time. I'll take it out for a test ride. Not sure how well that sunset will show up in the GoPro, but it's awful pretty. pedals, quick test ride here. So far so good. Okay, here's a turn. Didn't drag them. Nice. Feel good. Okay, one more U-turn here. Scrape. I am trying to turn more using my hips than leading though, so to avoid the scraping, just to be honest. Alright, that was probably a couple mile ride, nothing huge. Pedals feel great, so if you have an MCM4 and you have a problem with the foot pedals, this is definitely one solution. I'm happy with the upgrade. So that's it. Duck out.